Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is known as Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets. For that, first let us consider a right triangle. This is right triangle ABC, and AB is hypotenuse. Okay, AB hypotenuse. Angle C is 90 degree. As is shown in the figure, angle C is 90 degree. You call the sides as A, B and C. The side opposite to the angle A is A, lowercase letter. The side opposite to angle B, the side opposite to this angle B, that is B. Side opposite to angle C is C. Usually these angles we represent here with capital letters. The opposite sides we represent with lowercase letters. Now there is a relation between A, B and C, as we all know, given by Pythagoras theorem. What is that relation? A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. This theorem is written in a mathematical form here. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now the numbers A, B and C are called Pythagorean triplets. A, B and C, they are called Pythagorean triplets. So we assume them to be whole numbers, and all these together, A and B and C, the collection is called a Pythagorean triplet. And we know the common Pythagorean triplets are 3, 4, 5. We know that. That is, if you take A as 3, B as 4, C as 5, then you have A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, confirmed by these numbers. Plus 4 squared is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 is equal to 5 squared. So this is verified here. This is verified for these numbers. What numbers? 3, 4, 5. Another example, 5, 12, 13. This also proves A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. This example, this triplet. So 5 squared plus 12 squared. This is 25 plus 144, which is 169. 13 square. So you get this. So square of 5 plus square of 12 is equal to square of 13, verified here. Yet another example. Is equal to 25 squared. So here also you will have 7 squared plus 24 squared is equal to 25 squared in accordance with this. So we call these things as Pythagorean triplets. How to generate a Pythagorean triplet? There are a lot of methods available. We are going to consider a simple method known as Fibonacci method. Fibonacci method. Let's consider, for example, let us consider A, B, C to be the triplet. You think about any odd number. Let's say that is A. Let A be any odd number, and also we assume A greater than B greater than C. In addition to that, A also is an odd number. Let us proceed from that side. Odd number. Then we can generate B and C easily. How? C is equal to A squared plus 1 by 2. We know already A. We have assumed A. It can be an odd number. 3, 5, 7, 21, 29, any odd number let it be. So A is one of the triplets, smallest of course, and odd number. Then you can easily find C using this. After finding C, B is C minus 1. So simply assume an odd number, and from that you can find C, this one, and you can find B also. Now you can check whether A square plus B square is coming as C square. Okay, we apply this method for say this triplet. Let's say A is 5, B is equal to C minus 1. Take this example, apply that method. A is 5, then C is by 2. This is A square because we assumed A as 5, no? So A square will be 25 plus 1 by 2, 26 by 2, 13. So we are seeing here there is 13. Okay. Then how to find this B? Simply C minus 1, which is 12. So we have got 5, 12, 13 tested by this method. Now let us take a new example. Let's say A is 19, odd number, it will be the smallest in the triplet. Then we have to find C using the formula A squared plus 1 by 2. C is equal to A squared plus 1 by 2. Then of course B will be C minus 1. A squared plus 1 by 2. Okay, 362 by 2, which is nothing but 181. So we got C. If A is 19, okay, if A is 19, then your C comes to be 181. What will be B? C minus 1. So 181 minus 1, which is 180. Equal to 180. So we have got A, B and C. Now it is time for us to check whether this is really a Pythagorean triplet. Check. How to check? Evaluate 19 squared plus 180 square. Okay. 19 square is 361. 19 squared is 361. 180 square is 32,400. You add. You are getting 32,761. When you add these two, you will get this. But this is nothing but square of 181. That is 19 squared plus 180 squared turns out to be 181 square. So these three form a Pythagorean triplet. So verify. And we have to note few more things in this. As I already told, this method is based on Fibonacci method. Fibonacci method. And also you might have noticed in these triplets, here you have 4, here you have 5. So difference is 1. Also here you have got 12, 13. Difference is 1. 24, 25. Difference is 1. Here also 180, 181. Difference is 1. Okay. See here, difference is 1. Difference is 1. Here also difference is 1. Like that, any triplet you find using this method, this will be true, because we make B is equal to C minus 1. See. So this kind of triplet is known as Pythagoras family. Pythagoras family. What do you mean by that? In this triplet, you have the difference between C and B as 1. Right. Okay. Thank you.